Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to link your bank account in Zoho Books quickly and easily. First, sign into your Zoho Books account by going to their website and clicking the Sign In button. You can sign in using your preferred method, such as Google, for a quick login. Next, once you're logged in, navigate to the Banking tab in the menu. This section is where you can manage all your bank-related activities and records. Now click the Connect Bank or Credit Card button. You'll see a list of supported banks. Select your bank from the list or choose to connect an online bank account. After selecting your bank, enter your online banking credentials carefully to securely link your account to Zoho Books. If you prefer, you can also add a bank account manually by following the on-screen instructions. And that's it. Your bank account is now linked in Zoho Books, making it easier to track and manage all your financial transactions in one place. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.